as I've reminded myself and you in the first khutbah, a lot of people are like, yeah, I don't have to do all these things. But you know, sometimes I wonder, brothers and sisters, do you think this whole big Quran here only speak about Jummah Salah? Only Jummah, I think this really speak about? Only Jummah? Astaghfirullah. One little verse tells us Jummah is compulsory. What about the whole rest of the Quran? Why don't we live the rest of this Quran? What has happened to us? We just live that one little tiny verse about Jummah and say, well, I go to Jummah and that's farz. I don't have to study the Quran. I don't have to learn the Quran. I have to learn to read the Quran. Nothing we need to learn about. See? But we say we believe in the Quran and we, yeah, Allahu Akbar. And there's one little verse in the Quran. But the rest of the Quran is, we don't live it. We don't care about it. That does not make us a complete Muslim. I don't want anyone who go for Jummah feel that we are downplaying Jummah. No. It has its thing. It's like you have a job. Is that the only item or thing you got to do in your job? Answer the phone? Nothing else? The building catches a fire, you look at it and say, mashallah, that's not my job. My job is secretary, receptionist, answer the phone. And the whole building burns on and you also die in it. You know, that's the style of a lot of people nowadays. That's all they know what they do. They don't know anything else.